Hi friends, I'm Elliot. Today, we're going to learn about keeping ourselves clean and healthy. Washing our hands is super important. We should wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Also, remember to wash your hands before eating and after using the bathroom. Brushing our teeth keeps our smiles bright and our mouths healthy. Remember to brush for 2 minutes, twice a day. Make sure to brush every tooth, front and back. Taking a bath or shower helps keep our bodies clean and fresh. Don't forget to wash behind your ears and between your toes. It's also important to keep our surroundings clean. Put your toys away and throw trash in the bin. A clean space makes us feel happy and safe. Remember, friends, wash your hands, brush your teeth, take baths, and keep your space clean. Let's all stay healthy and happy together. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tickle Time TV, for more awesome adventures. Bye-bye.